We're reading the Bible here with Haley, and she picked. What story do you want to listen? What story do you want to read?
Ark is Noke.
What? Ark is Noke?
Yes.
You want me to read Ark is Noke?
Yes.
That's the story.
Yeah.
Does that sound funny?
Yes.
What's it supposed to be?
Ark is Noke.
Ark is Noke. You know what it really is? Noah's Ark?
Yeah.
Not Ark is Noke?
That's funny.
Okay, we're gonna read Ark is Noke. That goes with the same thing like when you said, that just goggles my mind. You're missing a brain cell. Yeah. Oh. Okay, Goofy.